There is a dog, man's best friend, in more than 28% of households worldwide. Yet 41% of owners admit that they only spend 15 to 30 minutes a day with their companions. This is why we have developed a new application for Bebop. Bebop Dog Walker. When you launch the Parrot Bebop Dog Walker application, all you need to do is tap your screen to transform your drone into a real walker. The application offers two options: define your course yourself with Flight Plan, or leave the decision to Bebop, which will know how to go around the neighborhood itself. The Bebop solution allows you to view the stroll in real time.
It's great. It's really great. I can choose his favorite places, I can see what's happening in real time, and all of this from my office or where I am on vacation. And most of all, I can feel that Sparky is so much happier and he's so much healthier. So I'm happy.
We thereby create the application which makes Bebop the best guarantor of your dog's well-being in your absence.
Make Bebop your dog's flying companion.